Myself, Victor Kumar Burman, Faculty of Chemistry, Class 11 and 12, SFS Narangi. Stream selection is one of the most important decisions to be taken after class 10. The question is why? Because we do not want our child to be a victim of career indecision. Career indecision means if you choose the wrong stream, if you go into the wrong path, subsequently all the career choices will be difficult. Now coming to science, why is science important? Science, according to me, as I have lived the subject, science according to me has not only helped me to relive as an individual, but to realize my skill and potential. Science gives you a scientific understanding of your life. Science helps you to realize which is important and which is not important. Scientific methodology in any subject is gained by science. One more thing, science gives you variety. You have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, which are all different arena of subjects where you can showcase your skills. And here, SFS Narangi, we believe in showcasing the skills and talents of a student. That's why one of the uniqueness of our school is that we provide optional subjects not only in psychology, maths, applied maths, biology, entrepreneurship, geography, so that you can increase your scope. Hence, students, kindly follow the instructions, kindly follow your heart, and kindly follow the steps required to increase your career. And once you take science, you are into the scientific world, and as Louis Pasteur once said, science is nothing but beyond imagination. That's all. Thank you and all the best for your future endeavors.
Greetings to all the parents and their students. My name is Deepak Kakoti and I am the faculty of SFS Guwahati from the Department of Commerce. Today, here I want to spotlight a few important things about stream selection for you all. Selecting stream is one of the very hard work for parents as well as for students because of their future oriented growth. Why? Commerce as a stream is very important and essential at the time being for you all. So first I would like to talk about commerce, what exactly it is. When the word commerce comes in our mind, we always think about the world of business. Now, we are living in the geographic zone of Northeast India where we have our geographical advantages. And this is the high time where we really need to understand our importance of our geographical advantages. We all are surrounded by neighboring countries and there is a huge scope for commercial activities within India and the surrounding countries. So this is the high time which I feel we really need to focus on commercial activities and commerce as a department to learn more so that economic condition of ours and economic condition of our states as well as can be increased and improved. In this department, we will be teaching you, we will be talking you all those areas where really your kids and the students really need to focus on to excel their career in those fields. It is the high time to choose commerce, which I feel because of different government policies. Government really boosting up the infrastructure in Northeast India. Government is really boosting up creating different policies including Act East policy, and because of this government support at this point of time, I really believe every one of us should focus on this stream to go and to grow in our career stream. This is what I would like to say. Now, being parents and students, think about why we really need to talk about commerce and how commerce as a stream really can help you to achieve your life dream. Thank you so much.
A very good morning, my dear students. I am the faculty of SFS Narangi. I take political science. My name is Mrs. Jolly Kumari Nath. Today I am here to say a few things about the selecting of your stream. I know that you are in a very crucial period when you are going to give your board examination of class 10, and after that you have to select your stream. Now, my dear students, stream selection is very crucial and it's very important as well, because the stream that you will select, it will lead you into a good future. Everything will be based on the stream that you have selected. Now, for the stream selection, you require two things. One is your interest, another is your aptitude. Always remember the subject that you like to study, you love to study. Take that subject as your career, because the interest will help you to get a good marks in that subject and to do better in that subject. Now, if you want to take humanities, I would like to tell you, humanities will give you an enormous scope in your life. Humanities always gives us a better life because it is in each and every corner of this world. The most important thing is that you need to feel it. Humanities will teach you what you are, what you can do, and it will really develop the inner talents that is there in you. I request all of you to understand, to know the subjects of humanities. When you will take humanities in SFS, it will give you the different subjects from philosophy to politics, language to all other different vocational subjects. Dear students, when you take humanities, it will give you different job opportunities. You can take any profession in your life once you take humanities. For example, you can be a lawyer, you can be a teacher, even you can be a civil servant if you take humanities. So definitely it will help you in your future life. Dear parents, this is one of the very important time for your child. And this is the time when your child required your encouragement, the motivation from you also. So please guide your child. Let's understand what she or he wants, and please help him or her to take a good stream. Whatever the stream you take, my dear students, I hope you will get a good result if you work very hard. Thank you so much.